Hey everybody, welcome back. We got rid of the Tundra. You want to see what we got instead? So instead of the Tundra, I give you the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon in Gator. Yeah, baby! We got the Rubicon with the color match top, the color match bottom. We literally got every option that you can get on this thing. Christian, what options did we get?
Let's see. All of them.
Yeah, we got them all. I love it. The only thing that we didn't do was we didn't choose the Launch Edition. So we had a Launch Edition option, and the boys over at St. Albert Dodge were going to take care of us and make sure that we did the numbers basically matched up. And we were going to go with it, but this Gator Green is just, it's sick. I know what a lot of you are thinking. Oh, you had a chance to get a Launch Edition. $419, I know, but you know what? Gator Green. So a couple things we're going to be doing today. Today we're going to be going over to the shop and we're going to have Delaney do a full front end paint protection on it. We're going to take off this sticker package right here, which I didn't want anyway, but it was there, so I had to take it. We're going to take off the Rubicon badging and put our own custom badging on for the channel. So I'm so excited about, and we got a few other plans. So yeah, thank you again so much to the boys and girls over at St. Albert Dodge in Alberta. They did right by us, and it's pretty awesome. So anyway, all right, well, let's go over to the shop and let's get it taken care of. Okay, everybody, so Delaney, the mastermind behind the Tundra, getting it wrapped, making it look really cool, don't laugh, is going to go over everything that he told me, and I think it's important you guys know. He's going to show you exactly what he would recommend for you to protect your Jeep, protect your truck, car, whatever. Over here at Proform Auto Tent, these guys are the only ones I trust with my vehicles, and a really good buddy of mine, I'm kind of biased, so once he's done drinking his coffee and eating his eggs and resting his Tim Hortons on my Jeep bumper, just got it. Anyway, oh, you're dead. Anyway, all right, what would you do? And yeah, tell me everything.
Well, from my experience, these Jeeps are like driving a piece of plywood down the highway. So everything that comes off the tire in front of you is going to hit your front end.
Awesome.
My windshield on my Jeep in the background here was toast within the first 8,000 kilometers. So we're going to do an Exoshield protection on the windshield.
So Exoshield's the one we saw at SEMA, where they were using that pin and smashing the windshield and it did nothing. Okay, let's go over here, let's go check out his windshield. So this is what a beautiful brand new windshield. It even has my tape line still from where the window sticker was. Now let's go see what his looks like. So this is what every Jeep owner's windshield looks like that doesn't have Exoshield. Okay, so that's Exoshield. Exoshield's going to protect our windshield. So now let's talk about the paint. This is called Gator Clear. I love it. And he wants to put Gator done somewhere on this truck, and I do not want that, but it's Delaney, and I kind of have to do whatever he says because he's the brains behind patterns and styles, and I have no style. All right, so what are we going to do? Because the factory tried to protect it with this little bitty strip. And it's not doing anything.
We're going to pull this off and we're going to wrap the entire fender from front to back. We're going to cover your doors. We have a pattern for your hinges, your B-pillar, your sills, your fenders, your cowl, your windshield surround. We're going to wrap the entire hood, the entire fender, your marker lights, your headlights, your grille, and the surround of the grille. It's going to be...
Okay, so mine's getting completely protected.
Yeah.
Okay. I obviously am going to be going overboard because I actually want to do like he's doing. I want to use this Jeep. That's why we bought it. We want to get our kids out. We want to go off-roading and have lots of fun. But for the people that don't want to spend a ton of money, what would you recommend them as a very good protection package, but without going overboard like I am? what would you say that they should do?
We've got a couple options for protective packages. One that covers about 18 inches of the hood, just up to the vents here, and still protects the front end. So basically all your leading edges, they're gonna get pummeled by rocks.
Right.
On the highway.
Okay. And then you have another one that I think was further up, but it looked weird because it was like, what, 24 inch or something?
Some people don't like the line that you see in the films.
I hate that line.
The films nowadays are very clear,
Yeah.
and oftentimes you won't see them. We'll get a customer come in here and they'll say, "Where's the line? Did you guys do the hood?" "Yeah, we did the hood." But
That's awesome.
The film is that nice.
Okay, so there's no heat element is something I've learned on a lot of the forums with these Jeeps because there's LED lighting. Stacy, you're doing awesome. With no heat element in here, it's good to have some kind of hydrophobic protection. So our plan is, because I'm a detailer, our plan is Laney and the company are going to wrap this entire thing. After they're done, I'm gonna come in with a paint protection film ceramic coating and ceramic coat everything. So that way, if any snow does get caked up in here or mud or whatever we end up doing, hopefully it'll just slide off and we'll still be able to use our headlights without having to wash them with our hands. That guy is gonna explain to my wife why we can't, underneath it where it looks like white forged carbon, why we can't put the camo that she wanted. Tell everybody, my wife, why we can't do it. So explain to everybody.
In the winter, it'll basically create moisture in between the plastic parts and the vinyl, which eventually could cause it to lift off.
And that
In summer,
would
it
be
would
not
fine.
cool. Yeah.
No, it would just start falling off on your head.
But because we live in Canada, we can't have super cool things like that.
Exactly.
Beth, we live in Canada, babe. You're the one that told me to come here. We have to deal with the consequences of that. No camo in the white carbon. Okay, so Delaney right now is installing the Exoshield. If you guys want to see how to install Exoshield, especially on a Jeep, which we are now learning is way easy on the Jeep Gladiator, I'm going to put a link right up here. You guys click on that, go check out Delaney's YouTube channel, and he's going to show you step by step on how to install it. But we're going to move on now from the Exoshield, and then he's going to put on some paint protection film. We're gonna go upstairs and cut it out on the machine. Then we're gonna put some tint on it. And it's just, there's a lot going to happen. Stay tuned.